Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to activate your Cash App Wand on Android and iOS. Set up and use Cash App Wand. Firstly, how to activate your Cash App Wand on Android. The step 1, launch the Cash App on your Android phone. Tap the Money tab from the home screen. Then select your Cash App card and tap Activate tag. Now wait for the app to display the on-screen guide showing where to position the wand. Now the step 6, place the Cash App wand flat against the back of your phone over the highlighted NFC area. Now hold it slightly until the app finishes reading the tag. Once you receive the activation confirmation, your Cash App wand is ready for contactless payment. Now how to activate your Cash App wand on iPhone iOS. The step 1, open the Cash App on your iPhone and sign in into your account. Tap the Money tab at the bottom of the screen. Now select your Cash App card. Now launch the Manage section and tap Activate tag. Now place the Cash App wand flat over the front facing camera to following the on-screen instruction. Then keep the wand steady for few seconds until your iPhone detects it. When the confirmation message appears, your Cash App wand is ready to use. Goodbye and thanks for watching.